What do the terms falls and slips refer to? Slips occur when the traction between footwear and the walking surface is insufficient, leading to a loss of balance. Trips occur when an individual's foot strikes an object, causing them to lose balance and potentially fall. What measures should organizations take to prepare for emergencies and accidents? Organizations must have emergency and accident response plans to ensure safety and establish effective recovery procedures to manage the aftermath of such incidents. What steps should employees take to identify and assess workplace hazards? Gather existing information about workplace hazards, perform regular inspections to spot new or recurring hazards, investigate past incidents for insights into causes and ineffective safety measures, identify trends in hazard reports, and use all collected data to improve health and safety programs. How should an injured employee be cared for if an accident occurs? Control the situation promptly. An employee trained in first aid should provide immediate assistance. In emergencies, call an ambulance. In less urgent cases, transport the injured to medical care swiftly. Notify the family of the employee about the incident as soon as possible. What distinguishes a low-risk workplace from a high-risk workplace? A low-risk workplace is one where the potential for serious injury or illness is minimal, such as in offices, shops, or libraries. In contrast, a high-risk workplace involves significant hazards that could lead to serious injuries or require first aid, such as factories with boilers or vehicle repair workshops. Can you list 3 examples each of man-made, natural, and hybrid disasters? Man-made disasters include toxic gas releases, chemical spills, and radiological accidents. Natural disasters encompass events like heavy rains, tornadoes, and tsunamis. Hybrid disasters can be landslides, droughts, floods, and fires. Why is it crucial to identify hazards in the workplace? Recognizing workplace hazards is essential for educating employees on how to avoid potential injuries or illnesses, thereby enhancing their overall safety. What excuses do working individuals often make for not maintaining good health, and how can this issue be addressed? Many working individuals claim they lack the time to maintain their health. To overcome this, they should commit to integrating healthy practices into their daily routine to ensure ongoing well-being. Can you define electric shocks, arc faults, arc flash, and arc blast? An electric shock happens when a person makes contact with an electrical energy source, allowing the current to flow through their body. An arc fault is initiated by current passing between two conductive metals through ionized gas or vapor, often caused by a flashover or other conductive material. This can result in an explosive event known as an arc flash, characterized by intense light and heat, and an arc blast, which is the subsequent pressure wave. What are defined as workplace accidents and emergencies? Workplace accidents are unplanned, unintended events that can cause injuries ranging from minor to severe, and in extreme cases, death. Emergencies at the workplace are unexpected situations that pose threats to employees, customers, or the public, disrupt operations, and can cause physical or environmental damage.